Referee Pele getting the game started. And New Zealand winning that first sprint. New Zealand with 2 players putting pressure on the Portugal defence. Block ball there, down into Portuguese hands nicely. Trying to get that ball away as New Zealand retreat into their defence. Portugal taking their time, bringing the ball up the pitch. Steele back out. Huzhou. Nice ball. Trying to get that through to Harish, but not quite making it. New Zealand on the attack again. Oh, almost picked up by Portugal there, but this time it has been. Well kept in there by Duha. Portugal locked down there by the defence. It's a warning there for number 1. Holding foul, quickly taken. Portugal just trying to make themselves some space there. Nice ball into Huzhou. Portugal really trying to open up this New Zealand defence there, make space for themselves, working hard. Oh, and ball goes way over the top this time. Was deflected, so it had a bit of help to get that high. Harish making a nuisance of himself in that New Zealand zone. And another deflected shot. Portugal managing to get a few shots away, but all defended well by New Zealand here. Long ball over to Steele. Can he get that in? No, he can't. Can't get that into the centre. No pass on. And once again, a deflected by the defender there. And out for a corner. Oh, just bouncing off the boat there. Still needing to go and pick that up. Still lost that possession, turned over by New Zealand, but not clean away. Looking for this shot. Oh! Probably should have had a go himself there. And under the bar it goes. Goal line throw to New Zealand. Great opportunity there for Portugal, but did not materialise into a goal. So, New Zealand. Oh, shot there. But just into the side netting. Portugal once again on the attack. Ball into the centre. What can they do with it? Nothing on there. Shot goes up. Huzhou trying there, but blocked back out, but into Portuguese hands again. Good play here from both teams. Defence is holding firm. Just passing the ball around. Looking for that perfect shot. Goes up, but once again, defended well. Zamash had a couple of good tries at the goal there, but always defended by New Zealand. And once again, Gilles, oh, beautiful. Duo with the shot for Portugal, putting the first goal on the board 8.5 minutes into this game. I'm sure New Zealand want to respond to that before half time, but just not getting that possession. And New Zealand looking. Well defended by Portugal. 40 seconds of this first half left. Can New Zealand equal the scores? We'll certainly be trying here. Good run in here. And Shot goes up but defended. Whose possession is it? Still with New Zealand. 10 seconds left on the clock. Long ball, batted straight back down into Portuguese hands as the clock runs out. So we will go into half time. Portugal 1, New Zealand 0. Teams changing ends, half-time chats. And I'll just take this half-time opportunity to thank some of the sponsors. Our main sponsors of this event are the International Canoe Federation, China Canoe Association, Huzhou City and Deqing County. So they're the local organising committees along with the International Canoe Association for this event. Beautiful venue, beautiful pitches. Pitches helped by Upin Sport with the goals and the match balls for this event, long-term sponsor of Canoe Polo. We also have Yukon Group, Latour Sports and Kailas, who have also helped to make this event possible with their sponsorship. So thank you to all of these people. Without sponsorship, these events wouldn't happen. So the middle groups of these under-21 games, really important. Each group has 6 teams. This group is Group UO, and as well as New Zealand and Portugal, the other teams are Great Britain, Denmark, France and Belgium. Remember, only the top 2 proceed through to the semi-finals. The other 8 teams will be playing for placing games below that. So, as the teams line up, now to the right we have Portugal and we have Huzhou, number 1. Number 3, Huzhou. Number 4, Vienna. Number 6, Damash. Number 8, March. Number 9, Gilles. Number 10, Hurish. And for New Zealand, number 1, Walters. 2, Alcott. 3, McEwen. 4, Hamlin. 5, Shepherd. 6, Brooks. 7, Field. 8, Gray. 10, Harwinkle. So, New Zealand winning the sprint and the first possession of the second half. Ooh, off the bar this time. And out of play for a goal line throw to Portugal. Middle group games really important in this competition. It will determine final placings going on. Holding foul. Quick break. No, not quite there with that throw. So long ball goes up. McEwen, and the shot blocked by the defender there. Never even got as far as the goalkeeper. Great work from Gilles. So on the attack once again.
Good.
Bouncing off the boat there. Referee says illegal tackle. Possession stays with New Zealand. Brooks with a shot. Deflected wide of the bar. Referee's just trying to get the players in the right position. So, throw will be taken again. Ooh, not quite getting that, but no pressure on him. Time to pick it up. Ball comes down. Shot well picked up by Portugal there. Portugal just taking their time, moving this ball down the pitch. Portugal leading by 1 goal. Not a big margin. Pressure being put on Portugal now. They still have possession. And a foul just on the edge of the defence there. Referee Pele moving it back. 6 metre. Gilles. Just taking their time. Oh, it's a goal line throw over the top. New Zealand, good shot there from Walters, but once again the Portuguese defence just blocking everything down. Oh, beautiful shot there from the outside. Howinkers with the shot for New Zealand, levelling the scores, 1 apiece. All to play for, 3.5 minutes left of this game. Scores level. Oh, mistake there, off the front of the boat, out of play. So, turnover of possession again. These teams really well matched. In some great defending from both sides and some great shots. So that one just out for a corner. Locked down, defence. Marked. Working hard in that defence. What can New Zealand do now? Oh, another block. That was the keeper this time. Well saved. Putting the ball over the top. Portugal just picking up that loose ball there in the melee within the zone. Play on, no, foul called now. So, New Zealand. Oh, New Zealand blocking that down on the man-to-man marking, but that one goes in the net. And that's Shepherd for New Zealand. New Zealand putting pressure onto Portugal, coming out man-to-man marking, and that paid off for them then. Right, Portugal, you have 1 minute to respond to that goal. What could you do? Oh, loose ball again, back in New Zealand hands. And they've got a man away. And that's Brooks taking no chances, finishing that one. So everything's changed. 2 goals in the last minute for New Zealand. These two teams so evenly matched for the first 19 minutes of this game. Now New Zealand just taking that lead. 20 seconds left. Portugal not able to win this now, but they may be able to get another goal. Can they? No, back in New Zealand hands. Clock's just running down. And that's the final hooter. Brilliantly well played game by both teams there. Final score, New Zealand 3, Portugal 1. So that was the first of their group games. We will be back with you very shortly with an under-21 women's group game, and that will be Germany versus Great Britain. We'll speak to you all soon. Thank you for tuning in.